In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Kucoin app on your iPhone in 2025. This is a quick and straightforward process that should take no more than 5 minutes to complete, making it easy for you to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Kucoin's official website. Open up your internet browser and type in the address www.kucoin.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be welcomed by a sleek layout showcasing various cryptocurrency options and trading tools. This is where you can access everything you need for your crypto journey, including downloading the app. Now that you're on the homepage, let's find the login option. Look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Clicking on this will take you to the sign-in page. It's a standard login interface where you can enter your credentials if you already have an account. If you're new to Kucoin, don't worry. There's also an option to register for a new account. But for now, let's focus on the task at hand: downloading the app. With the login interface visible, shift your attention back to the home page by selecting the home icon, or simply going back to the primary address, ensuring we're back at the starting point we began with. This makes sure you're at the right spot to access the download features. Once back on the home page, look for the download icon. It often resembles a cloud with an arrow pointing downwards, which is a universal symbol for downloads. Clicking this icon brings you to a page dedicated to the mobile application. This page provides you with the latest updates and features available for the Kucoin app on iOS. Now, you'll see several options. But what's going to catch your eye is the Scan QR Code to Download App section. For this step, grab your iPhone and open the Camera app. All modern iPhones have QR code scanning capabilities built into their default Camera app, so there's no need for a separate QR scanner app. Simply hold your phone over the QR code displayed on your computer screen. As your camera captures the QR code, a notification should appear prompting you to open the link to download the app through the App Store. Tap on the notification and you will be redirected to the Kucoin app's download page in the Apple App Store. Here, you can proceed with downloading the application as you would with any other app. Just tap on the download button, wait a few moments for the installation to complete, and there you have it. Kucoin is now right at your fingertips. With the app installed, you can log in using your credentials and start exploring the array of trading options available to you. Whether you're trading Bitcoins or venturing into alternative cryptocurrencies, the new Kucoin app makes managing your investments easier than ever. Enjoy your crypto journey.